Okay, so now we're at the point. When we were off camera, I was eating my butt off. As you can see, I'm starting to get pregnant again. But anyway, this food is absolutely fantastic. These things here are insanely good, right? And I think I told you all what I think about sticky rice, where if you put coconut milk on it, it tastes so super buttery and it's better for you. Now we're going to do the spring rolls. This is a dipping sauce that they have, and it's not a spicy dipping sauce. It's kind of like a sweet and sour type thing that's going on. Yeah. Very good. Very, very good. So there were two kinds that we fried. And I tasted them a little while ago. Mine, the garlic is kicking you in the butt. I mean, it's just all over garlic. And it tastes so good to me. I'm going to stink in the morning, but I don't care. It's great. So, this was the one that she had frozen in her freezer. And then we fried it. The difference between that and the fresh one that we just made is that one has a crunch on it. The one that she had in the freezer has a superlative crunch on it. So when you bite it, it just goes crunch. And it was so good. So good. All this food is very, very good. The thing I like about Thai food is there's so many different flavors that combine to make this like awesomeness in your mouth. And when it gets in your mouth, it's just kind of like a boom, you know? And if it's got heat on it, it goes boom, boom. So it's great.
Boom,
It's
boom,
very
boom.
great. No, we're talking about food boom. Okay? Let's keep it right. We're in Thailand. So anyway, and from what I understand, we still have one more dish to do. And it's pork and ginger.
Yes.
That one I'm gonna love, and of course I'm gonna mess it up with some what's her name? Garlic. But I'm sorry, gratiam. But
Lechim.
all right, what is your name again? I'm sorry. Ali. So this is Ali. Wonderful lady. Marvelous cook. She opened her home to me. I really appreciate it. And we're not done yet. We're gonna cook another dish, but we're gonna take a break right now. So I
Okay.
can wipe sweat, drink water, and sit down.
Okay. Bye.